Want to drive more sales to your Shopify store? Google Ads is one of the most powerful tools to attract high-intent buyers. In this course, I will show you how to promote your Shopify store effectively using Google Ads. Google Ads helps you reach customers who are already searching for products like yours. With the right strategy, you can drive targeted traffic and increase conversions. First, link your Shopify store to Google Ads and Google Merchant Center. This allows you to run shopping ads, which showcase your products with images and prices directly on Google. Google Shopping ads work best for e-commerce, but don't ignore such ads. They capture buyers actively looking for your products. And Performance Max campaigns help automate and optimize ads across Google's entire network. Use high-quality images, optimize your product's title with relevant keywords, and run retargeting ads to bring back visitors who did not purchase the first time. There's a quick rundown on using Google Ads to grow your Shopify store. Want a step-by-step guide? Check out my full online course for expert strategies and insider tips. Link in the description.